Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Mitsubishi Lancer SX sedan, stock reference number 3917. The shape runs from the 7th month 2007 through to the 10th month 2015. It has a 4B11, 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11, 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left-hand rear. The bonnet has light hail. It's got a tidy radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard has light hail. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre. Unfortunately, not much has survived on this left-hand rear. We have the right-hand garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. And the right guard has one small dent and a bit of clear coat peeling. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid. It's a manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.